Hi guys, welcome to Ambreen's Kitchen USA. Today we are making mutton kaleji. For this recipe you will need 1 kg mutton kaleji, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste, half cup yogurt, 2 tomatoes blended, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup oil, whole garam masala that includes Zeera, cardamom, and 2 cloves, 2 tablespoons Kasoori methi, and for garnishing you need 2 green chilies, lemon and ginger. In a pan, heat the oil and add onion, and then wait until the onion turns golden brown. In the same pan, add whole garam masala. Add the blended mixture. Add garlic ginger paste. Add all the spices. When the oil separates, add kaleji. Stir it for 3 minutes on high heat. Now add yogurt and then mix it up well. And then close the lid. Cook it for 7 to 10 minutes. Now add Kasoori methi. Cover it for 2 minutes. Now your mutton kaleji is ready. Delicious mutton kaleji is ready. Enjoy!